Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're comparing two of the most popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, the Amazon eero and the TP-Link Deco S4. We'll be evaluating these products in different categories to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. But before we start, make sure you like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Both the eero and Deco S4 offer impressive coverage, but the eero takes the lead by providing up to 4,500 square feet of reliable Wi-Fi, while the Deco covers up to 5,500 square feet. This one goes to Deco S4. The eero is designed to work with most major ISPs and replaces your existing router. It also works with Alexa for easy access. The Deco S4 works with all ISPs and can work as a router or range extender, but it doesn't have Alexa support. In terms of compatibility, we'll give this one to Amazon eero. The eero app guides you through setup and network management effortlessly, and it allows you to manage your network remotely. Deco app is also user-friendly and equally can be used to set up easily. So for this category, we'll call it a tie. Both the eero and Deco S4 speed is outstanding. The eero is capable of providing fast, reliable Wi-Fi for gaming, streaming, and working, while the Deco S4 can support up to 100 devices. Thus, in terms of speed, we have to call this one a tie. The Deco S4 excels in this category, as it allows you to limit online time and block inappropriate websites for each profile created for family members. And it's incredibly easy to keep your children safe. The eero, in contrast, provides more online security and additional network management features available via subscription. So this one goes to TP-Link Deco S4. The Amazon eero is priced at $169, while the TP-Link Deco S4 is priced at $109. As both products are closely matched in terms of features, here's where the Deco S4 really shines. It's a better value for your money. So in terms of price, we'll call this one for TP-Link Deco S4. And there you have it. While both Amazon eero and TP-Link Deco S4 are impressive mesh Wi-Fi systems, you can enjoy extended coverage, easy setup, and excellent parental controls of your Wi-Fi network with TP-Link Deco. However, with eero's top-notch compatibility, security features, and true mesh technology, it's still a tough choice. So, depending on your specific needs, choose the one that works best for you. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you on the next video.